Welcome back. I'm doing another video today, and instead, I'll be talking about the LifeWave X49 patch. What I love about this patch is that it's going to turn off inflammation. So I'd like you to take action today. After you finish watching this video, click on the link in the description, and you're going to go right to my online store and you're going to click on the shop button and order at least a 1 month supply of LifeWave X49 patch. Now, I chose this picture because I was wondering why not just sit back and pretend you're at this hotel. Obviously, this is a 5-star hotel. It may probably cost at least $500 a night to stay there. And you deserve to stay at a beautiful hotel like this. You deserve to have the best health, well being, spiritual well being, mental well being, and everything. We have enough of bad news as it is. Just tune all of that out for the next few minutes and just please pay attention to what I have to say, because what I have to say is really critical and important. I have been researching my whole life for something to combat my depression, my anger issues, my overall fatigue, that I'm constantly exhausted. And I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars on supplements, and they really don't work. It's just clogging up my digestion. What I love about the X49 patch is that as soon as I put the patch right on a particular acupuncture spot, if you remember from my other video, I told you I'm a pipe fitter, I'm working on a shutdown. So I actually accidentally lied on bitumen, and I didn't wear Tyvek. And so the bitumen penetrated through my coveralls, penetrated through my jeans, and it came in contact with my skin, which I took a picture of. And when I came home that night, my whole calf was all red and swollen. I don't care that they say on the X49 protocol to put the patch here, put it in the belly button. I don't care about that. I put it right on the spot where I had the injury. So if you have some similar injury, it could be anywhere in your body, just slap the patch right on there, okay? Because it worked for me. And so, again, repetition. Please take action today. I'll tell you how you can switch off your pain by supporting your body's natural ability to heal and boosting the immune system. Putting on the patches every day will stop inflammation for sure, and it will also stop all the stagnation of your blood and stagnation of your chi and your life force. It will improve your circulation, your blood circulation, by breaking down and the waste and the debris that's in your cells. So that's really important. You will also experience a higher amount of oxygen to the areas of pain, and best of all, you do not know how to build a hyperbaric chamber, and you may not have the resources to spend thousands of dollars going to a clinic to have increased oxygen that you're breathing. So the next best thing is getting the LifeWave X49. It's very, very simple. You will also see that you will ease pain in your joints, your muscles, and will also heal much faster. Reducing inflammation will help you reduce the chance of diabetes, heart disease, and cardiovascular disease. Now, I was just shopping at Walmart myself to get some gear, and everywhere it's so tempting to buy all these sugary cookies and junk food and everything. It's just, grabbing at your attention saying, buy me, eat me, eat me. You really have to have a lot of discipline and self-control to stay away from that stuff, because sugar is the worst thing you can take. Please refrain from eating sugary cereals and any baked goods. Just turn away from all that. You'll also, the reduction in your inflammation will help you reduce the chance of any other chronic disease. Okay, so I really urge you to click on the link in the description and understand that chronic inflammation doesn't come from your DNA. It actually comes from sugar that you're exposed to, as well as the processed foods that I was telling you earlier that could you're eating on a daily basis. Inflammation is the silent killer. To reduce the inflammation and the pain, our patented phototherapy technology designed to elevate a peptide, again, it's called a copper peptide, that stimulates the body's stem cells, causing an increase in healing. Not only will the pain decrease, but you will also recover faster. Stem cells are the building blocks of your body and help it repair itself. As you age, these stem cells become less effective of their jobs. It's kind of like you have these factory workers and you pay them less money, and eventually you used to have 1,000 factory workers, and then you now have a reduction of 900, and then 800, and then 700. By the time you're 60, you have practically no more factory workers and stem cells. So if you're younger than 50 years old, even if you're 60 or 70, don't lose hope. You can use the LifeWave X49 patch to start repairing your body today. We invite you to try this revolutionary technology in our phototherapy patch as you watch your body repair itself like it did when you were a young person. So, I'm going to stop talking now, and I'd like for you to click on the link in the description and be rest assured that for whatever reason, if you don't find that the product is giving you the results that you're looking for, you have the opportunity to return the product within 90 days of purchasing. So you can go ahead and click on the link in the description and call our customer toll-free number, and they will help guide you through the process. So there's no risk to you whatsoever. So snap out of disease and jump onto this bed and just luxuriate in the fact that you are healthy, you're balanced person, and that you deserve to have healthy cells, healthy organs, and a healthy being. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.